Even in a year where statehouses are closed and our attention was divided, the movement to let us fix our stuff made some gains. So let's take a look at the top 5 right to repair wins of 2020. First up, we learned from some emails that Apple is conflicted about repair. Last March, we found a full 2019 iMac repair manual online. We were so surprised to see Apple sharing repair information that we actually emailed them to ask them if they posted it by mistake. They never responded, but we apparently triggered a flurry of internal emails that caused Apple executives to ask, "What's our repair strategy?" We only know about these emails because they were released during a congressional inquiry into whether Apple and other tech companies held too much power. For our next win, we leave Cupertino and head to France, where France will be fighting planned obsolescence with labels. Every smartphone, notebook, TV, washing machine, and electric lawnmower sold in France will have a repairability score. It's part of a broader European move toward demanding more durable, repairable products for its citizens. And, in a nice surprise, the ratings are easy to understand, even if you've never taken apart a phone. It's a bold move to end planned obsolescence and a big win for giving people more control over big purchases. Next up, we built the world's largest free medical repair database. During the initial COVID outbreak, not only were ventilators and other life-saving devices in short supply, but they couldn't be repaired quickly when they broke down. Still, medical device manufacturers didn't make the repair guides available, so half our staff spent 2 months making a huge open repair manual database. We launched our medical database in May with more than 13,000 manuals, and it's still open for anyone to add on to. For our fourth win, we head back to Europe, where the European Parliament votes to support right to repair. In late November, the legislators of Europe voted overwhelmingly in favor of moving the whole continent toward fair repair, including the kind of repair labeling that France is going to enact this January. Nothing will change just yet, but with 395 legislators voting in favor against 94 opposed, it's a sign that our European work is bearing fruit. Europe aims to make companies own up to just how easy it is their products are to fix. And for our number 1 win of the year, Massachusetts gave auto repair data to everyone. Question 1, or the right to repair law, was approved by just under 75% of voters in November, despite heavy and heavy-handed corporate opposition. The law demands that car makers provide a way for car repair shops and car owners to access to the data their cars send wirelessly to the manufacturer. This prevents manufacturers and dealerships from having exclusive access to data that could be helpful in fixing your car. With this new right to repair bill, we could see car makers take on a similar expansion of data access for all cars. At the least, it could inspire other states to demand similar rights. And hey, maybe even for devices other than cars. We've still got a lot more work ahead of us in 2021, and you can help us out. Head on over to repair.org to figure out all of the different ways that you can get involved. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and our newsletter for all of the right to repair updates.